Hey guys, I recently cleaned this project. The pavers were put in probably 4 or 5 years ago, and I did a nice acid wash cleaning on it. And then today I'm applying the sealer, and you can see it's still drying. But I use a glaze and seal, and you can see the difference between the other pavers, how they're not too bright, but once you get into the glaze and seal with the enhancer, big change. So I'm going to finish spraying this. Just wanted to give you a little peek to see what pavers can look like if you just take some time, clean it up, or call me like a professional. Sometimes I'm professional, but call me. I'd love to see your project. Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. Let's see if we can boost your pavers again. Talk soon. Bye. I'm out. So one last quick peek. So that's the last of it. All color enhanced and transformed. So a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, and your stones will pop again. Anyway, Dave Pratt, I'm out.